Venza's available hands-free power rear liftgate offers a great way to access the cargo area when your hands are full. Here's how to use it. First, make sure the vehicle is off and that you have your smart key with you. Then simply stand directly behind the center of the vehicle and kick your foot straight forward under the bumper, using one fluid motion. It's important to kick directly toward the vehicle and not at an angle. Additionally, don't hold your foot under the bumper, as that may actually prevent the sensor from activating. A quick kick in and out is all it takes. Just bear in mind the liftgate may take a moment to begin opening. Plus, this system can also close the liftgate simply by doing another kick motion. Finally, please note that if you have an activity mount installed, it will interfere with the kick sensor functionality, and we recommend turning the sensor off in that case. And that's all there is to it, the way crossover convenience should be. For more information, visit Toyota.com.